we find ourselves in the very beautiful town of Stanton, Virginia in the Shenandoah Valley. I just got off the Amtrak Cardinal, and we're about to meet a very special guest who will be, I guess, hosting us in this video.
Be my guess. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm sure it's a freight.
Well, let's see what we got.
Hello, Rowan.
Hello, Nate. My boys. Come on.
Okay, CSX.
Actually, the second video I've shot here. Hold on, let's get that lens. There we go. This is the second video I've shot here, and I didn't have my camcorder. But it's going west, empty coal, back to the coal fields.
That's
there
8 minutes for it to pass. Goodness.
Pretty good. America's economy in motion.
Ranging from different vocabularies to an insane amount of energy, which I cannot comprehend still. Well, we're gonna chase a train, Rowan style.
Yeehaw, baby! Yeah! Uh-huh!
This is my ride.
Oh, yeah. Whee! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Get out, quick! Get out! Hey, watch this, watch.
These sounds and more brought to you by Railfan Rowan.
Yes. In case you was wondering. Hey, dude, this is fast flying freight, baby. Yeah. Woo! My boys. I knew it was gonna come out right at them. My boys. I am a team man. first date, huh? Ride of my life.
So, with that, thank you so much for watching. This is Nate's Vintage Trains, reminding you to count your blessings. Keep it old school, Jesus loves you, and God bless you all.